When you finally unpack your brand new SSD or set up a fresh computer, you look at your old drive and think about the hours required to reinstall your entire Windows operating system, hunt down setup files for your applications, and manually transfer years of personal files. Honestly, it's a painful process, and trying to recreate your setup from scratch usually means losing something important along the way. But you actually do not have to start over, because you can migrate your current operating system, custom settings, and data exactly where they are right now without reinstalling a single app. That is why we use a tool called EaseUS Disk Copy to handle the heavy lifting for Windows setups. We love this software because it keeps your data safe, runs completely locally so your privacy is protected, copies things incredibly fast, and is remarkably straightforward. Let us break down exactly how to use it to clone your drive today. Starting with the absolute essentials, we need to make sure our hardware is completely ready before opening any application. We want to connect the new solid-state drive directly to the computer, which you can do using an internal slot if your motherboard has an open space, or via an external USB to SATA adapter or NVMe enclosure. Once the hardware is physically connected, we need to turn to our desktop and open up the Windows Disk Management utility by right-clicking the Start button and selecting it from the menu. We will see our new drive pop up, and if it is completely fresh out of the box, Windows will ask us to initialize it. We want to make sure we select the exact same partition style as our current operating system drive, choosing either GUID partition table, which folks call GPT, or master boot record, known as MBR. Matching these partition styles is a vital step because it ensures the system recognizes the new drive as a legitimate boot device later on. Moving forward to the software itself, we will launch EaseUS Disk Copy on our desktop, and the clean, updated interface presents us with straightforward choices. We are greeted by 3 distinct modes designed for different tasks, which are Disk Mode, Partition Mode, and System Clone. Because our goal today is to create a perfect mirror image of our storage device, we want to click on Disk Mode to manage the entire drive at once. The screen will display an organized list of every storage component hooked up to our machine, displaying the model numbers, storage capacities, and current drive letters. We must carefully select our original operating system drive as our source disk, which is the drive containing all the data we want to copy. After highlighting that source drive, we'll simply click the Next button at the bottom right to advance. Following that choice, the application will prompt us to pick our destination disk, which is our new empty solid-state drive. We must double-check our selection here to make sure we are targeting the correct blank drive, as this process will overwrite the destination space completely. Once we click on the new drive, the software gives us a couple of specialized optimization toggles that make a massive difference in performance. If you are moving data onto a modern solid-state drive, we highly recommend checking the box labeled Optimize for SSD. This option automatically triggers a process called 4K alignment, which aligns the data structures perfectly with the physical architecture of the solid-state drive to ensure optimal read and write speeds. Additionally, if your new drive is larger than the old one, you can select Auto-Fit the disk to let the software automatically stretch the partitions to fill up the new space, or you can choose Edit Disk Layout if you want to manually slide the partition boundaries around yourself. When we are satisfied with the preview, we will click the Proceed button. Instantly, a clear warning dialog box will pop up on the screen, reminding us that any existing data on the target destination drive will be completely wiped out. Since we are using a fresh, empty drive for our upgrade, this is exactly what we want, so we will confidently click OK to grant permission and initiate the actual copying process. During the actual data transfer, the application displays a dynamic progress bar along with an estimated time remaining, which fluctuates based on the total volume of your files and the physical speed of your connection ports. The utility uses advanced sector-by-sector copying algorithms, meaning it replicates every single bit of data, hidden system files, and boot pathways with total precision. We do not need to do anything while this runs, so we'll just let the computer finish the transfer uninterrupted. As the system power cycles, it bypasses the old drive completely and boots straight into Windows directly from the new fast drive. We can see that the entire operating system desktop looks completely identical to how we left it, keeping our personal wallpapers, application shortcuts, browser histories, and login credentials perfectly intact. There are no secondary configuration steps, no tricky command line inputs, and no frustrating bootloader errors to fix. The new drive is fully operational and bootable the exact moment the cloning script finishes its work, giving us a faster, larger storage system with zero downtime. Ultimately, upgrading your computer storage does not have to be a stressful or time-consuming project. By utilizing EaseUS Disk Copy, we gain access to a reliable cloning solution that guarantees a perfectly bootable drive on the very first try, saving us hours of tedious reinstallation work. The entire process remains private on your local machine, and you have responsive technical support ready to assist if you ever run into a hitch. We strongly encourage you to download EaseUS Disk Copy and experience how simple your next drive upgrade can truly be. Check out the description below to get the download link. Try it out and share your experience in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe to get more videos like this.